Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the really exciting topic that's shaping the future of technology, smart contracts on the blockchain. You might have heard the term smart contract thrown around, but what exactly is it? How does it work and why is it so revolutionary? Stay tuned, and by the end of this video you will have a clear understanding of what smart contracts are, how they function, and why they are considered such a game changer in the blockchain world. So let's get started. Let's start with the basics. In simple terms, a smart contract is a self-executing contract where the terms of the agreement are written directly into the lines of code. This code exists on the blockchain, a decentralized secure ledger, and once the conditions in this contract are met, the contract automatically executes its agreed actions. There's no need for a third party like a bank or a lawyer to verify or process the terms. So think of it as a digital if-then statement. For example, if you rent an apartment using a smart contract, the contract might be programmed to release your security deposit back to you if certain conditions are met, like leaving the apartment in good shape at the end of your lease. Once the conditions are verified, the contract executes automatically without anyone else stepping in. How exactly do smart contracts work on the blockchain? To understand this, let's break it down into three key elements: decentralization, immutability, and automation. Let's first talk about decentralization. A smart contract is stored and executed on a blockchain which is decentralized. This means that no single party, such as a bank or a government, controls it. Instead, a network of computers, also known as nodes, works together to verify and validate the terms of the contract. This decentralized nature ensures trust, as there's no middlemen holding power over the process. Then comes immutability. Once a smart contract is created and deployed on the blockchain, it can't be changed. This makes it secure, as no one can tamper with the terms or hack the contract to change the outcome. This also provides transparency, since anyone can view the contract on the blockchain and they know it hasn't been altered. Then comes automation. Smart contracts automatically execute their code when predefined conditions are met. For example, if a smart contract is set up to send payment when a product is delivered, the code will automatically verify delivery and release the payment. No human intervention required. Now let's talk about the real-life applications of smart contracts. Now that we know what smart contracts are and how they work, let's explore some real-life use cases. Smart contracts are already being applied across various industries, transforming the way we handle agreements and transactions. First is finance and banking. In finance, smart contracts can be used to facilitate quick, secure, and transparent transactions. For instance, in decentralized finance or DeFi, smart contracts are used to lend and borrow funds without a bank. Instead of going through a loan officer, you interact with the code that ensures fair and transparent lending terms. Real estate. Smart contracts are also being used in real estate to automate property transactions. Normally, buying a house requires lots of paperwork and intermediaries. With a smart contract, you could transfer ownership, release funds, and even register the property in a fraction of the time, all automatically when the conditions are met. Supply chain management. In supply chains, smart contracts can track the journey of a product from manufacturer to the retailer. This creates an unalterable record of every step, which enhances transparency and reduces fraud. Each time a product reaches a checkpoint, a smart contract verifies and records it, making sure there's proof at every step. Insurance. Smart contracts are also becoming popular in the insurance industry, especially for claims processing. For example, if you have travel insurance with a smart contract and your flight is delayed, the contract can automatically issue a payout without you needing to file a claim. This makes the process faster and more user-friendly. Advantages of smart contracts. Alright, so let's summarize the key benefits of smart contracts. The first one is transparency and trust. Smart contracts are transparent as the code and terms are visible to everyone on the blockchain. This builds trust between parties since there's no room for hidden fees or loopholes. Security and reliability. Smart contracts are highly secure and reliable due to blockchain technology. Since they have stored on a decentralized ledger, they are less vulnerable to hacking or tampering compared to traditional systems. Speed and efficiency. Smart contracts execute automatically, eliminating the need for paperwork or intermediaries. This leads to faster transactions and reduces human errors. Cost savings. With fewer intermediaries involved, smart contracts can lower costs, making services like finance and real estate more affordable by removing unnecessary fees. Challenges and limitations of smart contracts. But before we get too excited, it's important to know that smart contracts aren't perfect. Let's discuss some of the key challenges. Complexity in coding. Writing smart contracts requires precision in code. Even a small bug in the code can have significant consequences. Once deployed, the contract can't be changed, so errors can be costly. Legal and regulatory issues. There's also the question of legality. Smart contracts operate on a decentralized network, which can conflict with traditional legal systems. It's unclear how courts would handle disputes over smart contracts in many regions. Oracle dependence. Many smart contracts rely on oracles, which bring external data into the blockchain. For example, a weather insurance smart contract might need an oracle to verify weather conditions. If the oracle provides faulty data, the contract could execute inaccurately. So, there you have it. Smart contracts are an incredible technology enabling secure, automated transactions without middlemen. While they still have challenges to overcome, the potential applications across industries are vast and transformative. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos on blockchain, cryptocurrencies and much more. Let us know in the comments below what you think about smart contracts or if there's any other topic you'd like us to cover. Thank you so much.